There was once a scientist, and he wrote a grant proposal. But he didn't understand narrative structure. Therefore, the proposal ended up boring and confusing, and it wasn't funded. You don't want to be that scientist. A knowledge of narrative is the solution, but the catch is, it takes time. You can't do it all in a one-day workshop. Mastering narrative is like physical fitness. Think you can go to the gym and get into great shape in one day? Nope. The narrative part of your brain is like a muscle. It needs to be conditioned. This is what our Story Circles narrative training does. The program arises from Houston, We Have a Narrative, the most recent book from scientist turned filmmaker Randy Olson. The training consists of 2 events. First, there's a demo day, up to 50 participants learning how Story Circles works. Then they come together in groups of 5 for the 10 one-hour sessions they run themselves. A circle can happen in one room, or we've found they work equally well through teleconferencing. In the sessions, you apply the narrative tools Randy Olson has developed, starting with the powerful and, but, therefore, or ABT template, and the narrative spectrum. Story Circles gives you the narrative tools. It starts you on the path towards narrative intuition, and it gets you into the habit of working in groups to develop narrative structure. The initial prototypes were run by NIH, USDA, and Hendrix University. Demo days are now being run or are planned by numerous government agencies and universities. We've developed a new set of tools that can help. Therefore, we recommend you join our Story Circles narrative training. For more details, visit our website at storycirclestraining.com.